this works wonders. People said it's like the worst migraine they've ever had. COVID basket. I kind of figured that 2 weeks from Thanksgiving, numbers would spike. Sudden urge to clean my room because look how bad it is. Should probably take care of this. Hey, what's up? Good morning, everyone. Or afternoon, I should say. Quarantine day 2. Yesterday was my official day of quarantining because I felt symptomatic, and I stayed home and pretty much did what I'm doing now, which is just watching videos. I posted a YouTube video, this one right here, and today I have just been trying to stay here as much as possible. I worked out in my room a little bit. One of my family members, well, they got McDonald's, so they got me a smoothie. What's weird is the fact that it's not that my taste buds are like gone. Everything tastes like more flavorful. And maybe I'm just being paranoid. I haven't lost my taste of smell or anything yet, so yeah. If you haven't watched my video, I explain more about what happened in that video, but today, look at my desk. This is what happens when I spend way too much time here. I have like these chips, and these chips taste so strong to me. When I started eating them, I was like, I can't. It just tastes like way too like flavorful. So I stuck to like fruits and then coconut water, and that helped keep me hydrated. And then I'm continuing to take my immunity, which is just like a multivitamin. It has like zinc and garlic. But yeah, right now I am just watching some more TV. Alex is hopefully gonna get tested because I haven't seen him in a while, but I saw him for like 10 minutes the other day, and who knows if he got it or not. It only takes like 2 seconds for you to really get it if someone coughs on you. But yeah, I'm a little bit bummed because vlogmas is like over now, or I guess it turned into a quarantine vlog. In terms of symptoms today, every once in a while I'll have spurts of like not chest pain, it's just like heaviness, and it's more like I feel like something's sitting on my chest, and then I have like a hard time breathing. So what I've learned is you can breathe a little bit better if you prone yourself. So let me show you. Okay, I don't know if you can see me or not, but when I'm like this is what prone is. When your stomach is flat. I've tried this a lot on patients, and it's really been helpful for them, just because the obviously the pressure is put off your lungs. So when you're laying flat, your stomach isn't pressed up against your lungs, so essentially it should help. Your stomach's like hanging from the bottom instead of like pushing up on the top. So yeah, if you're ever having shortness of breath with COVID, so in terms of fever, if you do get COVID, I hope nobody does, always use Tylenol, don't use ibuprofen. I also took this shot. Insert the clip of me taking this. It was really disgusting. But I wanted to like come on here and say thank you to everyone who's messaged me on Instagram or commented on my video. Like, I know this is like, I never realized how much all of you like really mean to me, because some of you like really messaged me like some like really, I need to stop saying like, some really heartfelt things, and I just really appreciate it all. Really oh my god, when I talk too much I get spurts of cough. But I really want to say thank you to those of you who messaged me, who commented. I hope you're all staying safe. I hope it serves as a reminder that nobody's really immune to it, because I myself thought that, oh, I'll be okay, like I probably won't get it. Maybe I have antibodies to it already, and I have it, and I don't have antibodies to it yet, hopefully. And yeah, I don't know. I just hope that all of you are doing okay as much as possible. If you're gonna hang out with people, try to hang out outside about what you're doing, because this virus is not gone. It's not going anywhere. Everyone's vlogmases, and that's been really keeping me busy. I watch Alicia Marie, and then I also watch Adeline Moore, and I think they're super entertaining to watch. Lifestyle blogs and that kind of stuff. I also really like Miss Remy Ashton. I think she's really funny. Yeah, if you want to watch vlogmases that aren't just me quarantining, I 10 out of 10 recommend those people. Also, I had to call out of work, obviously. I was supposed to work today, and I was supposed to work tomorrow, and then I was supposed to be back Monday. Hopefully, by the time it's Monday, I'll be okay to work. Don't know if they'll let me work if I'm still testing positive. If you're wondering why we have all these disposable things, it's because Kaiser sent us this house prevention stuff, and then they also gave like sanitizer and gloves and masks. I'm using a ginger tea and then this refreshment. This is my breakfast. It's all leftovers from yesterday, and I have my tea. Hey, what's up everyone? Good morning. It's December 18th. Technically it's my 5th day of symptoms. Today it's more like nasal congestion. Yesterday, the 17th, which was Thursday, I didn't vlog. Sorry, there's like a bunch of Vicks here and I have a bunch of patches. But yesterday it was mostly congestion, and I had like a sinus headache that like radiates to the back. A lot of people say that you get symptoms of headache, and like some people said it's like the worst migraine they've ever had. Personally, I have history of headaches, lack of caffeine, or because when I don't use my glasses so often, so it was tolerable for me. But I did take a Tylenol PM yesterday just so that I would be able to go to sleep. So I went to sleep around like 7, and then later on Alex actually came over. I'm gonna insert the clip, and let me show you what he brought, because I didn't expect it. First thing he brought were these Vessi shoes, which I'm super excited to try out whenever I get the chance to go back to work. I won't be back to work until after Christmas, which kind of blows, but you know. He got me this cute set. I don't know why he kept the price tags on it, but it's this cute set from Adidas. I think it's super cute, and I'll probably wear it pretty soon. He also got me a heated blanket, but that's in the wash right now. And he brought me a bunch of things. Let me show you guys. Let's just run through what's in my like COVID basket, because I have a lot of things in here. I got these face masks from Kaiser earrings from some sort of Asian market, and I have shrimp chip, the vapor patches, if you're wondering what I'm wearing. I have some emergency, and I've been taking this every day, multivitamins, Tylenol PM, and this works wonders. I have an orange. I also have these hulls that Alex got me, and then this is the lotion he got me last year, because I wash my hands a lot at work, and especially right now. My hands are super dry, so this helps. in terms of my other symptoms, I would say that my taste is still there, but it's really lulled. And I feel like now I don't, like I tasted my chocolate milk yesterday and today it tastes different. So I know that my taste buds are changing, and now I just really can't taste the same as I used to. I didn't really feel like uploading yesterday and merge the videos that I have together. I don't know if I mentioned this earlier, but I was so surprised to see how many comments, sorry I'm getting like short of breath, that how many people actually tested positive. But now that I'm thinking about it, I guess these are our repercussions of what happened for Thanksgiving. I figured that 2 weeks from Thanksgiving we would see the repercussions. A lot of the circumstances we can't really control. The things that we can do and we can control. Please don't gather for Christmas, because even though you might not necessarily be affected by COVID, like I have mild symptoms, like I'll wheeze here and there and I'll have shortness of breath, but it's not something that's like so painful. You may not be affected by it, but it's so highly contagious. Someone else will get it and pass it on to the next person and the next person, and the cycle continues. Please, please, please be that person and just stop the cycle. I think one of the things that a lot of people don't think about when you have COVID is you're in isolation. More mentally taxing than the actual physical deficits that you encounter. So I don't think people realize how mentally taxing and hard it is. Like, I can't see Alex. It's a domino effect. You, your family, and then some get affected by it. And I don't think that when my sister chose to go to her friend's house, she realized that if I get COVID, my family gets affected. That's something to take into consideration, especially with the holidays coming up. Also, I don't know if anyone saw this, the emergency January shutdown proposed. How do you guys feel about that? And here's my take. So with outdoor dining, it's not high risk per se. With the idea of people meeting together at some restaurant, what happens is they all carpool there. You get stuck in the car together, like at home together, and you start talking at home, blah blah blah, and it prompts people to essentially congregate. There's really just like no stopping it. People will go out no matter what. I wish we were like the other countries where we paid people to stay home, but obviously the American country is like really in depth. Anyways, don't forget to take care of yourselves. Don't forget to eat well, exercise, drink plenty of water, and take your vitamins. You guys enjoyed this vlog, and I hope you all are staying safe. And for those of you who commented that you're COVID positive, I'm hoping and praying that you're doing well as well. Have a good holiday, and I will see you in the next vlog.